We have a new topic. This is a topic of gravity, and this is the overview of it. Let's go to the syllabus. You can see here I've got two parts of the syllabus, gravity and density and pressure. And you'll also see that there's a red box around part of the gravity section in the syllabus. That's the part we'll be covering. So the piece outside the box we'll leave till later. Okay, if we look at the second column, in red is the ordinary level section, and in black is the higher level section. So in red we've got Newton's law of universal gravitation. There's two formulae. Below that in black, the variation of gravity and hence the weight with distance from centre of the earth. And below that, value of acceleration due to gravity on other bodies in space, example the moon. The third column, we want to compare gravitational forces between Earth and the Sun and between Earth and the Moon. You need to be able to do calculations using the formula in column 2, and you should be able to calculate weights on different planets. And then the final column is the science, technology and society part of the syllabus, makes up around 10%. It's the applications basically of physics. We need to have a look at the solar system, weightlessness and artificial gravity, and the presence of the atmosphere. Okay, so we're going to approach this a little bit differently compared to what we've done so far this year. One of the things that you guys identified was that picking out the correct formula was sometimes problematic. So instantaneously here we see we've got two formula that we're going to use in this particular topic. So what I'd like you to do is get those two formula and from the textbook find out what F, G, M1, M2 and D squared stand for. And likewise with the weight formula, write down what M and G stand for. So go to the textbook and get those. The second thing is in those formula, identify which of the values are constants and which are variables. So variables are values you sub in that will be different in each case. Constants are the same no matter what values you put into the equation. And then finally, I'd like you to write down any interesting questions that you'd like to ask. So if you do those now and pause the video, I'm going to keep going though. Okay, going into this topic as well, there are three things that you need to know. If you don't, ask me or research them. So what are mass, or what is mass, what is weight? 2, what is the difference between weight and mass? It's quite important. And the third one, what is acceleration due to gravity? So what do each of those mean? You should know them, or you can ask me, or you should be able to research them.